Jai Hind everyone. Today is my 37th day of recording the video and to conclude my challenge of the 60 days in English. And basically, I am approaching towards completing my task, and this is giving me happiness because of completing task. It enhances my testosterone level. It gives me a kind of a happiness and kind of a fulfillment of task, and it makes me a good human being after completing task. I satisfy myself like whatever I have did in my life is a good, and that's what it makes me a good human being. And after that, I want to told you like what I'm doing right now. So basically, I am doing irrigation in the farm. It's a farm of around 1 biga, and there is a like weeds are bowing. And after that, I am doing the farm. It's the first time that I'm doing the irrigation, and after that basically watering the plants and irrigation after that. And it's the first time of the weeds to doing the irrigation. And I want to told you like I'm just doing the irrigation through the engine. There is a boring which is around 100 meter away from me. So basically the boring is 100 meter away from me, and I use the section. So basically it used to attach with the point where the water comes from the engine, and then it releases the water to my farm. And then through one kind of a layer, it's not a layer, I don't even remember like what's the name we call it, but it's atra. So basically through the one atra, the water come reaches to the end point of the atra, and through the end point it enters to the weeds of of my farms. And after that it enters to the plants of the wheat, and then it reaches to the destination. And there is a lot of efforts are doing, like I'm using the fabda one person at the engine, like some kind of error happen, then he can shut off the engine. And after that a lot of process in the engine, the water reaches to my farm. And also and also through the starting of the engine is also necessary. Like if you couldn't start the engine, it not releases the water. And basically I am using the tasla where the water falls on my farm, because of when the water falls it makes some kind of a potholes. So reducing the potholes I use the tasla, and tasla reduces the intensity of the water to make a pothole, and it not hampers the farms. Thank you.